Have you tried designing and decorating your home, but it still doesn't feel right? That's a common struggle for many homeowners. And the real issue isn't the furniture or decor, but the lack of clarity in the design. So, in this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a visually clean interior, using a minimalist approach to transform the living, dining, and working area of this home. Let's start with the living area. This space used to be a cramped and cluttered guest room, closed off from the rest of the area with no clear flow. But what if we told you that this same room has now changed into a clean, minimalist living area? So how did we make it happen? The first major change was removing the dividing wall, just as the homeowner requested. Once it was gone, the room immediately felt more open, allowing smoother movement between areas. But opening up the space created a new challenge: how to design it to turn the space into a minimalist style. So first, you can keep the finishes simple yet purposeful. You can redesign the ceiling into a flat cove style with a drop border, featuring soft cove lighting around the edges and pin lights across the flat center. This replaced the old boxed ceiling that felt bulky and overly contrasted. For the walls, you can paint it in a soft beige tone and detailed with a slatted panel at the base, paired with flat and fluted panels to add subtle texture and depth. Then, for the flooring, a large format light tiles were used to reflect light and visually connect the open areas. Now, for furniture, a structured sectional sofa was added to define the area, paired with neutral-colored pillows to keep the look calm and balanced. This piece was purchased for only $350, making it an affordable yet stylish choice. Then, a minimalist wood slab coffee table and a round ottoman were added, along with a neutral low-area rug to keep the center light and low, visually and physically. On the other side of the sofa, a low-profile lounge chair and a round side table were added, ideal for reading or extra seating. One of the visual upgrades? The media entertainment. You can mount a floating console against the slatted panel, and the smart TV was placed at an ideal height for better viewing. As for decor, only a few carefully chosen pieces and indoor plants were added to maintain the clean, minimalist look. Then, introduce layered lighting to your space. You can add a floor lamp near the seating area to give it warmth, then a table lamp on the TV console to add a soft glow and visual balance. And of course, the main lighting is a wood blade ceiling fan, as requested by the homeowner. Next is for the window treatment. You can add blinds for partial or full coverage of the window. Now, one thing most people don't realize: curtains can make a minimalist space. Hang full-height drapes in a muted tone, they soften the walls, stretch the height, and beautifully frame natural light. Together, these fixtures create a space that feels relaxing, clean, and inviting. It's minimal, but never lifeless. This space was once an entry area with a sofa and some random furniture. But what if it could be transformed into something more functional and beautiful? Now, you can turn this area into a minimalist dining area, where every element was carefully chosen. Here's where to start: a dining area that blends seamlessly with the living room, so it shares the same finishes. Now, the real changes came with the furniture. You can choose a solid wood dining table with a clean-lined base, enough presence to define the area, but without visual heaviness. Then paired it with $150 curved upholstered dining chairs. They're light, neutral, and comfortable. To help separate this zone within the open space, a textured area rug was placed under the set. It softens the flooring and adds a cozy visual boundary. That old window? It didn't contribute much anymore. So you can turn it into a recessed display shelf, perfect for styling items like some frame and awards while anchoring the dining setup. As for the style, always stick to just a few elements. A bit of greenery and a single piece of artwork were enough. To highlight the art, you can add a wall-mounted art light that draws subtle focus. Then above, a ceiling fan was also used, matching the one in the living area. To finish it off, drapes were added to the door to match the window treatments in nearby spaces. Every space in your home can serve a purpose. You just need to unlock its potential, imagine what it could be, and design it with intention. This corner was originally just a lobby, but as you can see in the photo, it didn't serve a clear purpose. So what if it became your new productive spot at home? That's exactly what we're doing, transforming it from a simple hallway into a functional workspace as requested by Guru. Let's begin with the ceiling. You can keep the ceiling flat, but adding recessed pin lights around it for soft, even lighting. While on the wall, vertical accents in neutral tones help maintain a clean and calm look. Now let's add the essential furniture. For the working corner, you can add a mounted desk. It comes with built-in drawers on the side to hold documents and work items. And for comfort, you can pair it with a neutral-toned ergonomic swivel chair that glides easily and keeps the setup professional but soft. Instead of filling the wall with cabinets, you can install 3 floating wooden shelves above the desk for open storage and decor. Next, you need supporting pieces around the workspace. Instead of leaving the space beside the stairs empty, you can add a custom vertical storage unit with open shelving that fits the space exactly. Then, add a 3-drawer chest, which is ideal for storing items you don't want to be visible. For this working area, Guru requested a bed, but since the space might become too tight, instead of a full bed, you can use a slim beige sofa bed with soft pillows, which isn't just for sitting, but also unfolds into a full sleeping space for guests or midday break. This alone turns the workspace into a multifunctional lounge. In minimalist spaces, every decorative item has to be in its place. So you can add pieces that are simple, purposeful, and visually light. Since this is a working space, include only essential desk and shelving items. Then you can add a minimalist art piece and personalized framed wall art. Above it, a brass picture light highlights the artwork and adds a soft glow, giving the space a quiet, gallery-like calm. Additional lighting includes a mushroom desk lamp on the working desk for task lighting, and just beside the sofa bed, you can place a slim floor lamp with a pleated white shade, creating warmth in the area. Of course, a wood blade ceiling fan with a built-in light will also be used in this area. In small spaces, furniture must be smart and multifunctional. This redesigned space now supports focus, comfort, and flexibility all in one. So if you have area that's not functional at home, maybe it's time to rethink its purpose. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. This marks our 81st project in the 100 Interiors Challenge, redesigning the living, dining, and working area. Lately, we've been getting a lot of inquiries about our services, so to accommodate those who urgently need interior design, we're now accepting priority requests. You can visit our website at www.designburst24.com or hire us directly on Fiverr via the link below. If you want more home transformations, make sure to subscribe.